Hello viewers, you're welcome to another SMC tutorial video, and in today's video we'll be guiding you on how to navigate through the time zone ecosystem Telegram mining. So before we get started in today's video, if you find our video helpful, do well to purchase our educational token, which is WikiCat, built under the Binance Smart Chain network. So the contract address will be on the description below this video. So let's get started in today's video. The ecosystem is actually a cloud mining system that supports us to participate in mining time torn. So they have a good backing. The backing is superb, and we want you to take this opportunity and jump and mine to get enough time torn. Okay, so what we'll be needing for this mining is just a time zone referral link and your Telegram account. So you have a referral link on your Telegram account. For your Telegram account, you need to click on the referral link, which will redirect you to the Telegram account. Okay, here we go. So you click on start. We already have 912 persons mining this thing on a regular. So we click on start, and here it refers us to the account. So we create an account. Account has been created. Very easy, very easy. So now we're going to click on activate. You activate your first farm system. So now you activate every 8 hours. So these are our first farming system. So we'll come to the next icon to see all the activities we have to do. So we have 5 quests available for us to do, and if you are able to complete that 5 quests, you have additional points. You can see additional 12 points, additional 12 points, additional 24 points, additional 24 points, additional 144 points if you invite 3 friends. So it is important for us to do our quest to have extra points for us. Then here the next one is actually the referral of friends. This is where you refer your friends. So you click on the invite friend, copy link and send to friends. They will join your community. Also here we have the T-shop. The T-shop gives you the opportunity to buy a next level wristwatch. So the watch here is silver. By getting the next level wristwatch is actually level 2, 500 time tone. So it's important for you to mine, you farm. After farming, you can decide to get as much watch as you want, upgrade to different colors of watches. It's your choice. Then the next one is the information. Now we have opportunity to see the time farm, we have the time quest, the time frame. Afterwards, the system will be upgraded to have time stake, time NFTs, time games, time launchpad, and time airdrop. It's going to be massive. It promises to be massive. So you take the opportunity to jump into this farm now and start farming the time torn. I hope this video was helpful. Do well to drop your question in the comment section. Also, like our videos, subscribe to our page, and also turn on the post notification. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video.